Guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling about the short list. If you don't know what a short list, let's show in today's video your whole concept will be clear about that. What a short list in Python, and this is our fifth class of our list series. Okay, so let's learn about what a short list in Python. So please hit the like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our latest future videos also. So now, I do not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about a short list in Python. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling about short list. If you don't know what a short list is, a whole concept will be clear about that. And like previously, we learned about what are in the Python what are list comparison. So this video about now in today's video, we'll learn about the short list, and this is our sixth or to fifth video of the list series. And okay, so let's start. Sort list alphanumerically. List objects have a sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically, ascending by default. Example. Let me give you one example. You sort the list alphabetically like that. When you copy it and when you write here, Visual Studio Code. Then when you write here pro.py, make your file on the documents, and then when I run it, so when I save it and run it, I write here orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple and banana in my list. So why it is giving me banana, kiwi, mango, orange and pineapple? Because why? So first of all, you know which letter will come first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So first of all, which letter is coming? B. So B for banana. So that's why it comes first of all banana. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Then from K is coming. So then K for kiwi. So that's why kiwi is come now. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Then K, then L, M. Then M is coming, M for mango, okay, M, then N, O. Then O for orange is coming, then O, okay, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, then Q, L, O, M, O, P. Okay, so then P is coming, so P for pineapple. So that's why it gives me like that in the order, at the order alpha, it sort the list like alphabetically, okay. If you sort the list numerically, so you wrote like that. Then we sort the list numerically like 23, 50, then 82, then 600. Why it is giving like that? Because we are sort the list alphanumerically. 23 is come first, then 50 is come, then 65, then 82, then 100. So that's why it give me like that. If you sort descending, to sort descending using the keyword argument reverse equals to true. Then it give you in the ascending, okay, means like bigger to smaller. Here you can see it, pineapple, orange, mango, kiwi and banana. It give you the bigger to smaller. Like P is come like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P is come in the last, then A, B, C, D, like no. A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B. Then B is coming, so B is coming in the last because it is the ascending order, the bigger to smaller, okay. Then B, then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Then K is coming, K for kiwi. That's why it's coming in the second last. Then K, L, M. Then M is coming, M for mango. O, and then orange, A, M, N, O. Then orange, O for orange. Then O, P. Then pineapple is coming. Like it is coming like ascending to descending. Okay, like that you can do it. If you sort a list like in the descending, so you wrote like that. Then it will give you in the descending like 100, 82, like 65, and then 50, then 20. Bigger number come first, and then 2 smaller, then 2 smaller, then 2 smaller, then 2 smaller. Okay, like that. How to customize the sort function? If you don't know, let me tell you. You can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key equals to function. The function will return a number that will use to sort the list the lowest number first. Example, if you sort the list based on how close the number is to 50, so you wrote like that. So it gives you 50, 65, 23, 82 and 100. Like I have told you, why it is giving me like that. Like I have told you that we sort the list based on how close the number is 50. Like 65 is very close to 50, then 23 is very close to 50, then 82 is coming line, then 100 in the last. Okay, like that. Here you can see it. Case insensitive sort. We listen sensitive, what are insensitive, like we told you. By the default, the sort method is case sensitive, resulting in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters. Let me give you one example. In the below, there is a case sensitive sorting can give an unexpected result when you copy it, and when you paste it, save it and run it, so it give you a kiwi, orange, banana and cherry. It is giving the unexpected result, okay, like that. Likely, we can use built-in function as key function when sorting a list. If you want a case sensitive sort function, you can use str.lower as a key function. Example, if you perform a case insensitive sort of the list, so you wrote like that. Run it, banana, cherry, kiwi and orange. Why it is giving me like that? Like this is we perform one case insensitive sort of the list. What are reverse order? If you don't know what are the reverse order, so let me tell you. What if you want to reserve the order of the list? You regardless of the alphabet. The reserve method reverse the current sorting order of the elements. Example, if you reserve the order of the list items, so you wrote like that. Save it, run it, and there is one list. Here you can see it. Now, why give me cherry, kiwi, orange and banana? Why? If the banana is coming in the first, why it is giving banana in the last? Because here I like reserve. Okay, reserve. I write a reserve reverse method, so that will give me first over cherry. If cherry in the last, it will give me first in the cherry, then kiwi, then orange, then banana in the first, so it give me banana in the last. Like that, you can do it very easily as. So here you can see it. I also told you how to reserve the order. Here you can see it. So I hope your concept will be clear about what are Python short list in Python. So I hope your concept will be clear about that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share with friends and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, and please all the notification bell so you never miss our latest future videos also. So now I'm making next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. And in today's video I told you how to sort a list alphanumerically, how to sort a list descending, how to customize a sort function, how case sensitive insensitive sort, reserve order. I told you these things in today's video. So now please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also, so you can easily see my whole video line by line. Okay, so now I meet you next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.